there and spray. He goes, Steve, I got a brim in my boot. Kenny, give us more pressure. Who is? Yes, you know.
This morning we got here at 4. I thought, that doesn't look that bad. No, I didn't fall, but I went to it. Oh, it's wet, it's wet.
Sound like we need to put it in. Sound like we put it in palm.
Well, do they need us over there right now, or?
Well, you got 2 of us got that.
Yeah, you got one hose and 5 people.
And we got Kristen up there. They're gonna. Kristen is gonna walk across it. We got a line that stretches all the way across it somewhere.
We're going.
Copy that. We got it going. He's playing white.
I'm here trying.